Hello and welcome to Luke's vegetable patch. I'm here pretty early in the morning to try and beat the heat of the sun. In fact, just at the right time to hear the first skylark of the day as it gently rises up into the sky. And here we've got about 10 tomato plants, which I'm growing in some old recycled compost and sandbags. And they're a bush variety, determinate. They don't really need a lot done to them, but what I'm going to do today is just thin out any of the foliage that really is surplus to requirements. There we go. Lots of little nodes here which aren't going to produce any fruit at all, so I'm nipping those out because we don't want the plant to waste its energy on producing yet more branches to produce yet more fruit, which won't ripen in time. So there are quite a lot of tomatoes down here and they're rather shaded, so I'm going to take out these leaves. Very little sign of disease. It always pays to remove some of the foliage as well, so you get better airflow through the plants. But I don't want to overdo it. It's good to allow these bush tomatoes to be bushy. Now the good news is that nothing goes to waste, and we've got a use for these leaves. This is where our leaves are going to go, the wormery. So we put all our compostable waste in here. We've had a little bit of a problem with flies this year. The flies operate on the surface, so if you keep adding to the wormery, that tends to keep their numbers down, but having a little bit of carpet or cardboard over the top works really well. But if we just scrape back some of this compost, pretty gooey, lots of eggshells, you begin to start seeing the worms. And there are lots of worms in here, and they've been multiplying, which is good, and they're definitely a fantastic asset to have down here at the cottage. The only things they don't like are garlic and leeks and onion, but apart from that they're able to chop down anything. You put it in nice and relatively finely cut, a few scraps from the garden, from the vegetable patch, along with our leaves. Always check, if you have wormery, which foods are of benefit and which are not. The smaller the leaves, the quicker it all breaks down and the faster the worms can start to munch on it. You just cut up the scraps, put them inside, close it up and leave the worms to do the work. You know, worms apparently never sleep. Now, apart from the compost, there is another fantastic byproduct through all this. It's worm juice. 100% organic, 100% amazing, and going straight back onto those tomatoes. Cheers.